Ninja AF141 versus AF142, two popular air fryers, but which one actually performs better? Today, we compare capacity, performance, usability, and real-world cooking results side by side. No hype, just practical testing to help you choose the right Ninja air fryer. Starting with Ninja AF141, a compact air fryer designed for everyday quick meals, AF141 offers a practical size that fits smaller kitchens without sacrificing core performance. The control panel is straightforward, making temperature and time adjustments fast and intuitive. Cooking performance delivers evenly crisp results for fries, chicken, and frozen foods. Heat circulation remains consistent, reducing the need for frequent shaking or repositioning. Noise levels stay reasonable, suitable for apartments or shared living spaces. Cleanup is simple thanks to the non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts. For small households, AF141 balances price, performance, and simplicity quite well. However, capacity may feel limiting when cooking for multiple people. Overall, AF141 excels as an entry-level Ninja air fryer option. Now let's switch to Ninja AF142, the larger and more feature-focused model. AF142 immediately stands out with increased capacity for families and batch cooking. Controls remain simple, but offer more cooking flexibility and preset options. Cooking results show better consistency when handling larger portions at once. Heat distribution feels slightly more even compared to the smaller AF141. Noise levels are similar, despite the larger fan and internal capacity. Cleanup remains easy, though the larger basket requires slightly more space. AF142 is clearly designed for families or frequent meal prep users. It costs more, but the added size justifies the upgrade for many buyers. Overall, AF142 feels like the more future-proof Ninja air fryer. Between both, AF142 wins overall, while AF141 suits tighter spaces and budgets. Choose AF141 for simplicity, AF142 for capacity, and cook confidently either way.